embedded world, and this is one of our newest demos. It's an i.MX 8M running Crank Software's UI, and in this demo here we've also integrated Snips voice activation control so that we can use voice control mixed in with our touch. So this demo shows a newer advanced oven where we can try different things. So we can do a quick start bake and it'll do our bakes, or we could come back and set it for our own times. So you can see all the animations are nicely integrated into here. Also inside this we've put some integration with going to the web to get recipes, so we can grab different recipes for a Kato casserole and hit start, and it will start getting the right temperature and everything for us to cook. We've also integrated Snips here for our voice control, and the two of us have come together on top of this platform to create a really nice demo. So now I'm able to use their activation where Jarvis here to drive and get the oven to go to where I want. So Jarvis, cook a roast at 400. And you can see we immediately react, we get the control. Snips is a on-device voice control system, so it doesn't need to go to the cloud, so it has a lot of capabilities that make it very attractive to embedded devices.